The Poco X6 Neo arrived back in March, and now the brand is already preparing its successor, which we assume will be called Poco X7 Neo. A prototype of the X7 Neo has run Geekbench, achieving a single-core score of 943 and a multi-core score of 2,247. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 SoC, and the prototype which ran the benchmark had 6 GB of RAM, but of course more options will probably be offered. Disappointingly, it's being tested with Android 14 on board, even though Android 15 has been out for about 2 months now and the phone's launch is probably still a good few weeks away. Of course, it will still get Xiaomi's HyperOS skin on top. This specific version of the X7 Neo is headed to India, as evidenced by the final I in its model number. If you're wondering what to expect from the Poco X7 Neo in terms of other specs, keep in mind that its predecessor was a tweaked version of the Redmi Note 13. Thus, we wouldn't be surprised at all if the Poco X7 Neo ends up being a slightly modified Redmi Note 14, especially seeing as how that phone is also powered by the same chipset revealed by this benchmark run.